and thank you for joining us again on how to navigate the Noon Academy. Just as a reminder, you're able to access the Noon Academy from our Noon Aesthetics website. On the top brown bar, you're going to see the first choice would be Noon Academy. Go ahead and click that and log in. From there at the home page, you're going to either log in here with your email address, and I already have done so. The next window that you're going to come to is going to be the course offerings. The one that I wanted to show you today is called Noon Aesthetics Skincare Advanced. Go ahead and click this course. I think for many of you offices, this is going to be a great lecture. It's by Dr. Artzi. He is a world-renowned dermatologist that's based in Tel Aviv. He has given us a great lecture on utilizing energy-based devices
and I have
with our Noon products. In this video, it's just under an hour, but you're going to see how he has worked with the DermShield technology to his advantage, and also how he's combined skincare and medical devices, and he's going to give you plenty of examples of case studies. Again, this is about an hour-long lecture that he presented to the Noon distributors from around the world last May 2022. It would be very highly recommended that you watch this, as I'm sure you're going to learn quite a bit from that. The other thing, we want to just make sure that we're always providing you curriculum. There are many courses to choose from here, and I hope that you are able to find something that pertains to you. If you have any suggestions, please always reach out to your account manager, but our Noon Academy is here for your enjoyment and for your learning experience. Thank you so much.